Hello friends, I'm Vadim, I'm 5th dan in Shitoryu Karate Do and 1st dan in Judo.
I'm Rostik, I'm 8 years old and 8Q, yellow belt in Karate Do.
Today we want to start a series martial arts lessons for children and their parents. I believe that before learning any martial arts technique, we have to start from basic physical exercises.
Today we will teach you how to do roll backwards.
Поехали. So there are two basic rolls backward, roll from shoulder and straight roll, direct roll from neck. First, because it's easy, we are going to learn roll from shoulder. If you are rolling from shoulder, bring your ear, for example, left ear to left shoulder, open right side, straighten right arm to the side and bring your knees at the same right side. And don't touch with your ear or with your hand the mat. This is half roll and this is full roll. And now we are going to show you together how to roll backward. From sitting posture, arch your back, bring chin on your chest and soft roll backward. Right arm to the side, knees to the right and roll. Very easy. Now I hope he can do without my help. Show us again. Yes, very good. From other shoulder. Yes. As you saw in previous exercise, one arm was straight, other bent. If we are rolling from left shoulder, left arm straight, right arm bent. This is roll backward from shoulder. But now we want to show you how to roll straight from neck. In this exercise, which is a bit more difficult, you have to bend your both arms and bring your palms closer to your ears. Chin on your chest, roll straight on your back and help yourself with your arms. It is the same like in roll forward, it will be in next video. Palms on the mat, help you with your hands and soft roll backward. Stop. Okay, very good. And now we want to share with you two additional exercises which you can use in your lessons to make your lessons interesting and hard. Okay, not bad. Half roll, jump and punch.
Thank you very much.
And hope to see you on our next lessons.